Tesla Model S at Audio Motorsports for 3M ceramic tint. The owner of the Tesla Plaid wanted to ensure that the front window's shade was legal in California, so they chose 3M ceramic IR window tint with 70% to block maximum heat yet remain legal. The work was completed in a timely manner, and the results are stunning. Same-day installation, hand-cut and micro-edged. Looks fabulous! Front windows 100% UV protection and 93% heat rejected, while it's 70% transparency. Rear windows 100% UV protection as well and 96% heat rejected. Feel no burn whatsoever. See through the windows clearly. Finished project. We are truly the best Tesla window tint shop. Thank you for watching.
For watching AMS TV.
AMS TV.